it's supposed to feel.
Hey girls, every good makeup artist knows that we have to invest from time to time in a good makeup brushes. Here comes packaging with 12 stick of brushes. They are synthetic, cruelty-free. Comes in this makeup bag, and they are really wooden brushes in a golden color. It's Disney edition. It's really nice eye palette. It has 18 different shades. Nice packaging also. I bought myself one Revolution makeup palette too. I love these colors. They really go nice with all of us who have brown eyes. It has like 15 different shades. Some of them are with shimmer, but mostly I'm looking forward to use this one matte. And last thing that I've ordered, face jewels. They glow in the dark and they are really popular right now, so I'm looking forward to make one video tutorial with these ones on my face. If you don't want to spend a lot of money and still looking fabulous, you can do it. Who says that you have to buy the most expensive things to look great? So thanks for watching me today and see you next time. Bye!